All right, we are back. Let me flip this around. So this is the TRAXXAS Bandit.
Yeah, so
rebuilt.
Yeah, brand new build. So I'm just going to make it like a half a run. The road's a bit damp. We can wait for a couple hours, but just going to make it a little half a run to see how it handles and works. So here we go. We'll go 0 and we'll go track start.
We got somebody going real slow here.
I'll put this over here.
So this is my son JT's Bandit.
Car.
Yep, car. So as I was just saying, this is my son JT's Bandit. We've had for a long time, and he left it with us because you're clear. Because now he lives in Brazil. So let's see. It's all rebuilt. We'll see. I think he's just gonna do a half a run, just test it out, make sure everything's all working properly. This road's a little bit drier. It's damp though, so it's only like, I think 3 degrees out here. It's cold. Car! I'm not used to this. We haven't been out here in quite a while. Oh boy. Thought I was done speed running, but I guess not. Crazy. Think you're okay. So this is TRAXXAS Bandit, folks. Nice. Not bad. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Stop. Huh? I didn't see that.
Every time I got to the throttle, it would pull the front wheels up.
It's wet, man.
But the car's great, straight and stable, but it is pulling wheelies. Thank God for the wheelie bar.
Yep, that's why you put the wheelie bar on.
Not bad. I'm so impressed. A little bit. Look at the tires from debris on the road.
Oh yeah, they brined the road.
Well, let's see what the half run was, guys, for the Bandit. Stop. Read. 81. Every time I touched the throttle.
How far did you go?
Well, I came back too, so half of that. 21, half 21.
Oh my God.
Every time I got to half, every time I touched the trigger, the wheels would pop up.
Yeah, and you still did 81. Wow.
We're gonna get the 100, guys, for sure.
Nice. Oh my God.
Cool. It's on 3S. Should we show it?
Sure, why not?
Okay, then I'll keep this in my pocket.
Yeah, let's go show it. Why not?
It's quite a simple build, actually, but very, very smooth car.
Wow, JT's Bandit.
Just beat my Bandit record.
Wow.
81, and it's so stable.
Well, JT asked. He said, it must rip. I said, we haven't taken it out. Well, now we did. So JT, 81.
I put the wheelie bar on last minute. I thought, hey, it's a Bandit. And thank God, because it was doing this on the run. It's popping up and down, up and down.
Oh boy.
Very nice. I'm impressed. All right, we got some more work to do. Love the Bandit. All right, sure.
They call you the Bandit.
Okay. Audio.
I'll go on this side.
Here we go. So it's a Mamba X8S. This is the China Hobbyline Parallel Series battery. There's your 4 wires, 3S. Castle 6400 kV. Big axles, guys. 90/80X axles. Mod 1 gears. That's all there's to it.
Nice.
Yeah.
81. Sweet. Thanks for checking us out.